Hey, it's Dom from 12 Tomatoes bringing you yet another great video. We're making a grilled summer squash salad tossed with grilled shishito peppers and pickled red onions. It's definitely something you gotta cook this summer. We got so much squash, why not? All right, so we're gonna salt our squash. We wanna draw excess moisture out. We're gonna salt that squash. Then what we're gonna do is we're gonna char our shishitos in a nice hot cast iron, put our zucchini back down in a nice hot grill or cast iron. We'll get a really nice char after we wipe the edges with paper towel. Then what we're gonna do is we're gonna make a quick pickle, just some vinegar, salt, sugar, and black pepper. Then we're gonna mix our onions in there and let that sit for like 20 minutes and we should have a quick pickle. Then after that, we are gonna make our beautiful vinaigrette. So we're gonna use a little whole ground mustard, some garlic, some lemon juice, and some parsley. We're gonna mix that on up while streaming in some olive oil. Get that all nice homogenized, season with salt, pepper, you're good. Look at that beautiful char on that zucchini. I'm gonna cut it on a fun bias, throw it with those shishitos, some fresh basil, and then drizzle it with a little vinaigrette so that all those vegetables get that nice vinegary flavor infused. Toss in a little pickled onion, reserving a little bit for the end, and then we're gonna make a little salad lasagna. A little arugula down, a little vegetable, a little arugula down, a little vegetable. See my pattern? Just a little bit, layered. We don't have to toss it. We just want to make it look beautiful. Look at that drizzle. If you do not know what you want to do with summer squash this year, this is what you got to do.
12 Tomatoes.